What's good, YouTube?
What's good, YouTube?
Welcome back to the channel. Dropping little man off at school. What are you gonna do at school today?
I don't know.
You don't know? What do you usually do?
I don't know.
Sing the TikTok song.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no.
What about some Christmas songs?
Okay. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in our own open sleigh. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Do you know any other ones?
No.
Yeah, you do. You were just singing some. What are some other Christmas songs you know? Dashing through the snow.
Here comes Santa Claus. Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus Lane.
You know any lines from the Grinch? What does the Grinch say?
I hate Christmas.
Do you hate Christmas or do you love Christmas?
I love Christmas.
Why?
Because it's...
Because you get gifts?
Yeah, and I don't like Halloween.
Why?
Because it's so boring.
Whatever. You loved Halloween.
But I don't like it.
Who were you for Halloween? What were you for Halloween? Pugsley, right? Oh, the door's open. Ready for school?
Yeah.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say peace.
Peace. I hope you have a great day. Peace, dudes.
Just dropped off the little man at school. That kid is a character. I remember when he was born, you know, just it feels like it was yesterday. Now he's already 4 years old in school. You can tell he's got a bit of his own personality. But we're gonna get to this day. Gonna go do a house call, well, a business call. I got my partner down at the tire shop that I'm gonna go cut up real quick. And then after that, I do have to go mail off this little piece here. This is the GTX blade cover. I had a subscriber hit me up, one of my followers on IG, asked me if I had an extra one laying around, so I'm gonna go toss this and mail this to him. Go follow him on Instagram. It's at IV_Mac, and I'll put that right here somewhere so you can go follow him on Instagram. Go show him some love, give him a follow. But other than that, let's get to the tire shop. Let's get this haircut in. Not gonna show you much of it. You guys have seen it last week and a few weeks before that, but let's get it. My boy doesn't get much than a beard trim, I said, so 2 guard, 1.5, 1 half guard. Shave gel, aftershave, clipper, trimmer, shaver, cool care, oil sheen, razors, pick. Don't get to it. So many wheels in here. So many wheels. But these are what I want to get eventually. Something like this. Super deep dish. Get the truck lifted up pretty high. Well, not too high, but high enough. A lot of selection here. Just got to the post office and we are gonna mail this GTX blade cover like I said we was gonna do. Got that bad boy sealed up. Then we go ahead and get in there and deliver this thing. It is Christmas time, as you could tell. The post office is dumb packed. Good thing we just mailed something small though. But yeah, let me go get back to the house. What's up, people? Just picked up the rascals from school. Say what's up, YouTube?
What's up? What's up? Subscribe and like the video. Subscribe and like the video.
How was school, Mikey?
Good.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
You didn't do nothing at school?
We just wait. No, we did do something.
What'd you do? you do in the gym?
Nothing.
You did nothing in the gym?
Did you watch a movie though? No. Where's Papa? Maybe he's at work.
Papa's at work.
And where's Nana?
Probably at home.
Maybe we should check.
But what did you do at school?
I didn't even ask Mr. McMahon. I don't know if you're good though. I was good. And she gave me a spider book. And I was scared.
You were scared of the spider bug?
it's just a print, Dory.
Oh my goodness.
No, it isn't. It's a little spider.
How was school, Maddie?
Good.
What'd you do?
First we did math. We went on our Chromebooks. We went on Canvas, and then we did some math lessons. I went to Centers, and I went.
You already told us. I'm asking your sister.
We did some division on our Chromebooks, and then we went ahead and read books, and then we went to we did indoor recess. We ate lunch.
2 hours later.
And then we came back. We read some books on our canvas, and then
Hey, just an overview.
Okay.
Not everything verbatim.
okay, we did math, and then we went to recess, lunch. We did reading language. Recess is cold. We did indoor recess. And then we went to PE, and I'm gonna tell you something.
And that's it?
And then I went to pick up my cool.
Everybody, so we just got home. My wife went to the grocery store real quick because she's gonna make spaghetti tonight, and we're gonna watch Mulan. So the vlog is probably gonna end here. I might give you a review on how the Mulan movie was. Not too sure yet. But the other day I was at Walmart and I seen these. They had these over here on sale. Not on sale, but they're selling them. And I don't know if you remember these from way back in the day. I remember when I was like in middle school, I used to collect tech decks all the time. These things were so fun. And they're still fun. I'm over here messing with it. It's been a while. Over here trying to do little tricks and whatnot. I'm still a grown kid. Let's see if I can gap this right here. Ooh. But anyways, if you remember these from back in the day, let me know down in the comments. You know, these were super duper fun. When I was in middle school, I used to be like riding on the trapper keepers or your binders and stuff like that, grinding over the little metal parts. But nostalgic vibes, you know. But anyways, may or may not tell you how that Mulan movie is, but we'll see. So we haven't watched Mulan yet, but this little man just woke up and now he's eating his spaghetti. Is it good? Is it good? And we're watching You Got Served. This is one of the corniest movies that I've ever seen in my life that I actually like. But we're gonna watch Mulan after this, after they eat. And this is where the vlog is gonna end. I told you I was gonna give you a Roper and Ebert review, but that's not gonna happen tonight. Maybe I'll let you guys know what I think in the morning. But this is it for the night. Hope everybody enjoyed the vlog today. Super random. And yeah, I mean, it's a chill day. It's Monday. Watched like 3 episodes of The Walking Dead. How many episodes do we watch? 3?
Yeah, I think it's 3.
3 episodes. It's a very entertaining show that I've been in and out on. Vlogging is very it's very time consuming. It's very difficult. Editing, being a dad, full-time barber, all that stuff all together. So I'm gonna watch this movie and enjoy it and not have to worry about editing later on. Usually I stop filming and all that stuff by like 8:30. Edit till like 9:30, 10:30, upload. So yeah, but I won't bore y'all with the schematics. Hope everybody enjoyed the vlog. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and stay tuned for that 2K giveaway. Y'all sleeping? Y'all share the video, share the channel. We're gonna be doing a Tune 45 Power Mat 2K giveaway, so be on the lookout for that. But until next time, appreciate everybody for tuning in. Tune in this time tomorrow for another vlog. We're gonna be back in the shop tomorrow with the goof troops. But yeah, God bless.